Namaste. This should be the way we should greet each other nowadays, especially when there is a crisis called as coronavirus. When we greet each other with this way, we are not being in direct contact with the other person. Ayurveda believes in prevention of the disease than the cure. We have to make the army ready before the war is started. As per Ayurveda, the infections occur when the immunity or the bala of the person is less. Increasing bala decreases the chances of having infections. The first thing that we need to do is to follow the guidelines given by WHO and the guidelines given by the Health Ministry of your own country regarding the usage of mask, regarding washing the hands, and usage of alcohol-based hand sanitizers. To boost immunity, one can follow the following things as per the Ayurveda. You can make use of either of these herbs that I am going to mention, which are available in your place from Sri Sri Tattva Pharmacy. Whenever you get these herbs, if they are in the form of tablet, you should take one tablet 3 times a day. The first is Amrit, Tulsi, Neem, Amla, Devavati, Imujan, Jantugnavati. For small children, we have something called as Ojasvita. This formulation is combination of 7 herbs which improve the immunity, and it can be used for small children mixed with the milk or just warm water. One more product from Sri Sri Tattva that we have for boosting immunity is called as Shakti drops. These can be taken as 3 drops with a cup of water 3 times a day. We have a combination of herbs in the form of powder which is called as Sitopaladi Churna. 1/4 teaspoon of this powder can be mixed with a little bit of honey and can be eaten 3 times a day. If all these things are not available, simple home remedies can be used. 1 small piece of ginger, 2 pinches of turmeric powder, and 1 pinch of black pepper powder. All this should be mixed with honey and can be taken twice a day after a meal. Make sure to make use of garlic when you are cooking your food. Garlic having a very good antiviral activity. There are some teas that you can use which you can get in the shops or in your own garden. Simple tea made from thyme or mint or rose hip is very good to boost your immunity. It is very important to understand that the stress brings down the immunity, and when the immunity is down, we are more susceptible for getting the infections. So bringing stress down is one of the most important thing that we should focus on, and that can be achieved by learning a breathing technique called as Sudarshan Kriya. Also, you have to meditate at least twice a day. Bhastrika is one more breathing technique which fills you with a lot of oxygen, and then the immunity gets boosted. Kapalabhati is the breathing technique which makes use of the abdominal muscles to fill the body with more oxygen and to improve the immunity. To learn all these breathing techniques, you should contact the nearest Art of Living Center or Sri Sri Yoga teacher. It is very beneficial to do Surya Namaskar or Padma Sadhana. There are 2 mudras which can be very beneficial for increasing the immunity as well as to fight against the infections. They are Prana Mudra and Surya Mudra. You have to practice each mudra for 15 minutes at least. You can do them at any time, anywhere with deep long breaths. The most important thing is do not panic, be careful, be safe. Jai Gurudev.